Hello, dear students. Welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we are going to start a new section of your syllabus. We are going to start with the writing section. In our writing section, dear students, in the class 10th, two things are prescribed. First thing is the story writing, and the another thing is the letter writing. So today we are going to deal with the letter writing. What is letter? You know. What are the types of the different letters? You also know that there are two types of letter. One letter is the called the formal letter, another one is called the informal letter. Informal letter you have studied in class 10th, class 9th. Now in the class 10th we will study the formal letters. What are the formal letters? To whom we write the formal letters? Formal letters are written to institutions, managers, customer, consumers, and etc. These are some of the uh, types of the letters. Now we will proceed that what is the purpose of writing a formal letter. The purpose of writing formal letter is asking or giving some information, placing or cancelling of orders, registering complaints, making inquiries, creating awareness regarding some public social issues, and writing in reply to the some news item. These are some of the purposes of the writing the formal letter. As in class 10 the formal letter is prescribed, so we will study, dear students, in class 10th formal letter is prescribed to us. And in the formal letter category there are basically four letters that we have to study. In class 10th we have to study four types of the formal letter. What are those four types of the formal letters? The first type is the letter of inquiry, second one is letter of complaint, the third one is letter of placing order, and the fourth one is the letter to editor. These are the four letters: letter of inquiry, letter of placing order, letter of complaint, and letter to editor. These are the four letters that we have to study in our class 10th. So first of all, the most important thing that we have to take care in the letter writing is the फॉर्मेट ऑफ द लेटर राइटिंग. क्योंकि फॉर्मेट के भी मार्क्स होते हैं एग्जाम में. अगर आपने सही सही फॉर्मेट बनाया है देन यू विल गेट 1 मार्क्स. इफ़ यू हैव मेड अ फॉर्मेट करेक्टली देन यू विल गेट अ 1 मार्क्स. सो लेट अस प्रोसीड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. और एक चीज़ यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना, बिकॉज ऑल द फोर लेटर्स आर द फॉर्मल लेटर. क्योंकि सभी फोर लेटर्स जो हमें पढ़ने हैं दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन क्लास 10th आर द फॉर्मल लेटर्स. सो देयर format will be the same. Once you learn the format of any one formal letter, the same format you can use for writing the other letters. Before we proceed to the formal letters format, let us play a game. I wanted to ask you this question, but as you are not here, so I have to play it alone. मुझे अकेले ही खेलना पड़ेगा. Can you identify these persons? These are the very famous film actors. Who is that? In the first picture, Sanjay Dutt, Sanju Baba. Who is in the second picture? Ranveer Singh, the rising star. Let us see this actor, this man. Can you see who is that person? Though he is looking to be changed, थोड़ा अलग दिख रहा है, but we can identify that he is our Anna, Sunil Shetty. And you might be knowing that person. Who is that person and what is that game? What is this game? Boxing. And who is that person in the black shorts? Charlie Chaplin. Dear students, you just saw some pictures of some famous Bollywood actors and some international actors. Have you ever thought that these person can help us in learning the format of the letter? कभी सोचा है कि ये लोग हमें लेटर का फॉर्मेट लर्न करने में हेल्प करेंगे? If you have not, let us see. Okay, you have seen these actors. You have seen who were the actors. Sanjay Dutt, Ranveer Singh, then there was Sunil Shetty, boxing, Charlie Chaplin. These were there, na? Let us make a sentence that will help us in for learning the format of the formal letter. What is that sentence? Sanjay Dutt, Ranveer Singh started boxing Sunil Shetty. What is the line? Sanjay Dutt, रणवीर सिंह स्टार्टेड बॉक्सिंग सुनील शेट्टी. सबने बहुत मारा सुनील शेट्टी को, अन्ना को बहुत मारा. तो अब देखो, लेट अस सी. यूज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ ईच वर्ड एंड मेक अ फॉर्मेट दैट विल हेल्प अस इन लर्निंग द फॉर्मेट. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द formal letter? This is the format of the formal letter. See, first of all, you will write sender's address. Then you will write sender's address stands for Sanjay. Then you will write date. Dutt. What was your line? Sanjay Dutt start. Sanjay Dutt Ranveer Singh started boxing Sunil Shetty. See, all these lines are here, and we can have a make a format here. First of all, there will come sender's address, then there will come date, then there will come receiver's address, then there will come sign. Sorry, spelling of sign is incorrect. You will have to make it salutation, then body of the letter, subscription, and then sign again. Okay, so these are the things that you have to. mm, this is the format of the formal letter. Okay, I hope the format of the formal letter is clear to you. Dear students, as you are told earlier that there are four types of formal letters that we have to study. So today we are going to start with the letter of inquiry. As the name of the letter itself indicates about what the letter will be. A letter of inquiry is a letter written to request detailed information about any product or सर्विसेज. जो लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी होते हैं, हम किसी इंक्वायरी करने कोई इंक्वायरी करने के लिए टू गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सम प्रोडक्ट सम सर्विसेज वी राइट लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर विच वी कैन मेक इंक्वायरी, बट इन आवर क्लास 10 सेल्फ फ्रॉम आवर 10th class perspective, we are taking some of the portions that are generally asked in the examination. For what purpose you will write the letter of inquiry? Letter of product inquiry means some persons are selling some product. It may be anything. You want to buy that thing, but before that you want to make inquiry, so you will write the product inquiry letter. Letter of service inquiry, some persons, some institutions are providing some services like admission, or the schools are providing admissions, the hotels are providing some services, you want to avail those services, so you will write them a letter of inquiry. Then letter of job inquiry, you want to get some job, a post is lying vacant at some particular person, and you want to enjoy that, you want to join that job, but before that you want to make some queries, so you will write the job inquiry letter. So these are the some of the purposes for which we write the letter of inquiry. As I told you earlier, that first thing that we have to take care while we are going to write the letter is the format, and because the letter of inquiry is the formal letter, so we will follow the same format that we have seen earlier. Sanjay Dutt Ranveer Singh started boxing Sunil Shetty. Once again we will see the format of the letter. एक बार और देखेंगे formal letter, format of the formal letter with the help of the question. There is a question. You are Sujit Sujata of 43A Ganeshpur Belgaum. You are interested to take admission in National Film Academy Simla. Write a letter to director of the academy seeking necessary information. Okay, so you have to write a letter to the director of the film academy to get admission, but we want to get some information. So first of all we will see how to make the format of the letter. Let us see. The first thing that you have to write is the sender's address. Here I will like to tell you, you write sender's address in minimum 2 lines, maximum 3 lines. मिनिमम 2 लाइन्स या मैक्सिमम 3 लाइन्स में लेटर का सेंडर्स का एड्रेस लिखोगे, और सब कुछ एवरीथिंग यू विल राइट इन द लेफ्ट कॉर्नर. जितना भी एंट्री करोगे लेटर राइटिंग का, यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द this left corner. Okay, you will start it from here only. Oh my god. Okay, as I told, you will start writing everything from this portion, from this side of the paper. Okay, next thing, so how will you write? First of all you will write the sender's address, then you will give a gap of 1 line, then you will write the address, senders, sorry, the date. Okay, you will write the date in this format only. इस format में आपको date लिखना है. This is called the British format. You will not write the date in this format. If you are writing in this format, it will be incorrect. Okay, write your address in this format, so date in this format only. इस format में date को लिखो. And next thing, after that you will write the receiver's address. रिसीवर एड्रेस यू हैव टू राइट इन 3 लाइन्स। रिसीवर एड्रेस को 3 लाइन में लिखना है। फर्स्ट लाइन, you will write the post designation of the person to whom you are writing the letter। किसको लेटर लिख रहे हो उसका पोस्ट लिखोगे, whether he is director, manager, cashier, salesman, salesperson, who is that person you will write, so director। The next line, in the next line you will write the name of the organization in which the person is working। उस organization का नाम लिखोगे जिसमें वो पर्सन वर्क कर रहा है। एंड देन थर्ड लाइन, यू विल राइट द place of that institution, organization where that is situated। Okay, so this is your sender's address। Now we will come to the next part। After you have written the receiver's address, you will write the subject, and then you will give a gap of 1 line, and then you will write the sir, this is called salutation। And then from the very next line and from this portion you will start writing the body of the letter। लेटर का बॉडी लिखना शुरू करोगे। एंड इन द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर यू विल टेक केयर दैट यू विल डिवाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर इन 3 पैराग्राफ्स। लेटर का बॉडी 3 पैराग्राफ्स में डिवाइड होना चाहिए। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ विल बी इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकेंड पैराग्राफ विल बी द डिटेल, एंड द थर्ड पैराग्राफ विल बी द कंक्लूजन ऑफ द लेटर। व्हेन यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर लेटर, जब लेटर पूरा कंप्लीट कर लिया है, give a gap of 1 line, then write the word thanking you, word लिखो, and after that write the subscription, it is yours faithfully, yours faithfully। Now here take care, while you are writing yours, you will write y in the capital, you will write the y in the capital, and it is yours विदाउट एनी एपस्ट्रॉफी, कोई एपस्ट्रॉफी नहीं होगा, YOURNS, देन फेथफुली, एंड जस्ट बिलो दैट एट दैट प्लेस यू विल राइट योर, मेक योर साइन। इट इज़ नॉट साइन एक्चुअली, यू विल राइट योर नेम। सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द फॉर्मल लेटर और द लेटर ऑफ द इंक्वायरी। ये फॉर्मेट है आपका लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी का। एक बार फिर से देख लो, यू जस्ट सी इट अगेन। सेंडर्स एड्रेस, डेट, रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, subject, salutation, body, and then the after body then you will write the subscription। things to be taken care, क्या क्या चीज़ें ध्यान देनी है while you are writing the address। जब एड्रेस लिख रहे हो, the each letter of the first letter of each new word should start with the capital letter। okay, ऐसे हमने लिखा है नेशनल फिल्म एकेडमी, there are 3 words and the first letter of each word is in the capital, you will do this thing। okay, this was the format। Now in the second video we will see the body of the letter, how to write the body of the letter।